There, how's that? I cleaned the screen. Much better. Alrighty. In that case, howdy folks, this is Spider-Man 1100. And Kevin! And today we're going to continue Team Kirby Clash Deluxe. And where we last left off, I was just about to use all my gem apples for Tougher Krakow. Cleared his quest as Dr. Healmore, equipped with the golden gear. Well, that's... Oopsie. Not much I can do about that because... Anyway. Practically I have to sell my soul for that. Just to unlock that mission. Let's do this. I want to use your flask for this. There you go. Yellow flask! Ugh. Shit. Nick is down! Please help me. Thank you. Gamer boy. Thank you. Blue flask! Red flask! Green flask! And some for everyone. Might as well. Oh shit, hang on. Yep. There we go. Chemical spray. Teammate 3, stop the clock. Thank you, Barry. Red flask. Blue flask. Yellow flask. Damn it. Oh god. Red flask! And now revive. Oh shit. Thank you, gamer boy. Ow! Yellow flask. Blue flask. Green flask. There you go. Red flask. Yellow flask! Just use your chemical spray. Alright, alright. Krakow was furious! Oh, Nick, run! Run, run, run! That was close. How'd you get out of there so quickly? Excuse me. How did you get out of there so quickly? This. Whew! Perfect timing. I just feel like the flasks do more damage. Red flask! In a way. I wasn't exactly going for damage, I was going for more like damage per second. Yellow flask! Blue flask! Mine. Red Flask! Apparently it does more damage if you do it this way. But with Dr. Healmore and Sword Hero, I can just wail on them from the front. Good job, girls and boy, good job. Team Meteor did massive damage. With Dr. Healmore, I can just wail on them like this. Oh god, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Frick. No, because I don't have enough gem apples. Ugh. Damn. That sucked. I know about the spraying medicine. Spraying medicine? I said spraying medicine. Might need to bring a healer in for this. Come on now, Blue! Ready, fight! So trying not to focus so much on the flask. Alright. Red Flask! I'll try to focus more on chemical spray. That's what I meant to say. Not spraying medicine, but chemical spray. Chemicals in your eyes. It sounds like it will burn. Oh, it will. It will burn. It's never happened to me before, but I'm sure it does burn. Yellow Flask! Blue Flask! Ow! Thank you. Now, Yellow Flask, Red Flask, Blue Flask. Is that what you meant by now? Yeah, kind of. Red Flask, Yellow Flask. There you go. Helpful healing. I keep forgetting the explosion does damage too. Green Flask! Oh, I forgot Blue Flask. Oh. Good dodge. That piddly little heal boost. Or health boost. I want to heal more, but I really do. The enemy's so quick, most of the time I don't have time for a full heal. Which also gives more moves like this. Kreko is furious! Hey, those moves random. Mine's dead. No, for jewelry shop you have to hold the button, but for the bandage you have to just press the button. Or tap the button. I know, for the... For jewelry shop, you gotta press the button. But for the bandage 12, just tap the button. Okay, so that depends on how long you hold the button. Alright, got all power tablets. Yeah, pretty much. For this round, should I have more healers or more time stoppers? Probably in between. Again, sorry that I'm making the screen shake so much. It's because I'm mashing buttons. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Damn! This sucks! So bad. Well, I'm used to the reward coming up. But no, that's only if I actually beat the enemy. I should get more gear. I know, but I would, but I don't have any money. Alright, Jumpman. Part of our last line of defense. Don't have enough gem apples. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. So, what are you gonna do now? I guess we'll just pause the recording here and wait for a while. Even though it feels like it's gonna take ages for it. But I'll manage. I think I'll just play another game to keep myself busy. So, be right back. And we're finally back. Good God. It took forever. That was remaining one. You know what, Maggot? I think the beam is much better for... You know what the hell? Wouldn't have to have a healer on a team. Anyway, as I was saying, I think beam is much better for Krakow anyway. Oh my god, I just got back from playing Super Kirby Clash and I keep forgetting how smooth the frame rate is in this game compared to that. Fuck, they got me. Please help. Thank you. Ow. Blue. Thank you. Yeah. 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 Bleh. Bleh. Yeah. Bleh. Yeah. Yeah. Mint, stop the clock. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mint. Sounds like my brother's on. That sounds like it. Looks like my brother's on. Huh? The orange light flashed. Oh. I was about to say that you said try helping by stopping the clock. I know, I just... I'm trying to focus more on attack than stopping the clock. Here. Now would be a good time to do that. There we go. Oh shit, 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 shit. Okay, there we go. Jumpman is in trouble! Jumpman is down! Man down! Power tablet number 1 has appeared. Okay, good job, man. Gotcha! Well, look out. Okay, there you go, Jumpman. Yeah! Shit. Yeah. No, Mint! Come on. We need you in this. You got all power tablets. Excellent. 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 Good. $17,099 damage. Nice! Mint, stop the clock. I should try going for more damage per second. Yeah! There we go. I should do it. Whoa, Nelly. Ah! $15 seconds. Oh, fuck. Okay. Well, that sucked. Balls. Big, stinky puffballs. Fine, you win this round, Krako, but I'll be back. In the next part. Afraid we might not get a whole lot done tonight because of the way things are going. Well, at least you tried. Yeah. Well, guess there's nothing else to do but end the part now. Are you just waiting for it to hit 20 minutes? No. So anyway, we, thinking back on the story that I was talking about, well, first I was playing Super Kirby Clash during the break to help myself get back in the swing of things for this game. I thought I was doing better as the B-Mage, though.
It looked like you were doing really well. Yeah, I did.
Excuse me. Sorry. Well, anyway. Oh, yeah, Mom got most of the frog eggs out of the the pond, because she was afraid it'd be too overcrowded.
Understandable.
But it made me kind of sad, because we were killing the eggs, practically.
Not much you can do about that, I'm afraid.
Hopefully they'll survive in the unused pond. Dad said it was gonna rain tonight, so should have some water. I mean, I have doubts on their survival.
Wait, where'd you put them?
Well, the only place I could put them in was the edge. The unused pond is upside down, so all I could do was set them on the side. Like, you know how the edges are like this?
Yeah?
That's where I put them. Might not last long, I'm afraid. I didn't want to just put them in the grass, though. Well, anyway, that's gonna do it for this part, but thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed this just as much as we did, and hope to see you all again next time. This is PlaneMan1100
And Kevin!
signing off. Gonna wait another hour for my vigor to go back up.
Why not just use Gen... Oh, right. You're all out.
Yeah. So all we can do now is wait.
Yeah. I see ya.
Laters.